take a look at the next one. In this case, things change a little bit. Now we're talking driveway logo. All right, in this case, let me fix this one up. All right, when we had the driveway logo, initially we said area equals 16 square feet, right? So if you did side and side, right, that would say side squared equals 16, so side equals 4. That's easy if you're doing a square. But people don't want logos that are squares. So we're going to go back to our x plus x times x plus b, where this b is the additional length that we're adding to it. B is the additional length that we're adding to this. B is going to be our additional length, and instead of being equal to 48, it's now equal to 16, because we're talking driveway logos this time. So x squared plus bx equals 16. Remember, b is that distance that we're adding in. Squared plus bx minus 16 equals 0. So this is how we're going to end up solving this one. All right, so, let's go with 6 again. Let's say, all right, it's 6 feet longer. 6 feet longer on one side than it is on the other, but we're only using up 16 square feet of driveway. So let's see, factors of negative 16 that add to 6. So x squared plus, that's 6, x minus 16. 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. And remember that we are multiplying to a negative, so these guys got to be negative. 15, 6, and 0. Looks like that one's going to work out nice and neat, doesn't it? All right, because our a term is 1, we can just go and substitute that right here into, and put that right there into our factory. X minus 2, x plus 8 equals 0. Let's solve this one out. X minus 2 equals 0. X plus 8 equals 0. 2 to both sides, x equals 2. Minus 8 from both sides, x equals negative 8. Can you have a negative side length? No negative side length, so our width in this case is going to be 2. And we want our length to be 6 feet longer. So if our width is 2, our length is going to have to be 8. Our length is going to have to be 8.